Hey everyone, I'm Domingo Gomez and this is the Pixel 8a, a cut down version of the Pixel 8 with the same screen, the same processor, but the cameras of the Pixel 7a. I mean, it is a small upgrade comparable with the 7a, but at the same time, I personally love this phone and I highly recommend it. I bought this unit myself and I've been testing it for around 10 days, okay? Google didn't send it to me, so if you want to support my channel, you can do so by leaving a like or a comment just to help the algorithm. The Pixel 8a is a trimmed down version of the Pixel 8 but in the best way possible, because side by side we can see that their screens are equally good, but this one has thicker bezels and worse protection that made me use a screen protector. Its back casing is also plastic instead of glass, but I swear it feels super premium in the hand, so much so that I even prefer it. I don't know, I think it just feels better to the touch. If you look closely, it also has a slightly more rounded design with much more pronounced edges that at the same time it makes it more ergonomic to hold, and also comes with IP67 water resistance. That's why when I started testing the Pixel 8a, I didn't notice, any apparent change, because it's literally the same phone with the same 120Hz refresh rate screen but with worse protection. You see, I don't think people care if it comes with IP67 instead of IP68, but when you change from 90Hz to 120Hz, the change is more noticeable. That's why I keep saying that this phone is a very cut down version of the Pixel 8, because it keeps some premium features even though they're not as good. The charging speed is 18 watts instead of 27 of the Pixel 8, and it still has 7.5 wireless charging instead of 18 of the Pixel 8, and its battery life, it's also good. Actually, everything that I've just mentioned has been kept from the Pixel 7a, but there's something new that it's very important. And I'm talking about the new processor, the Tensor G3, which together with stock Android and Google's good optimization makes this phone fly in my hands. These are the benchmark results that I've done, and as you can see, they're not bad at all, right? But look at the speed at which it opens apps, faster than the Galaxy S23 FE and even the OnePlus 12. I've tested a lot of phones this year, and for less than $500, you can't find any other phone that will run as smooth as this one. And that's because we have reached a point where what matters, it's not the processor power, but instead the good optimization that the manufacturer can achieve. And with this one, I haven't felt that I needed anything else. In fact, if you told me that I had to use this phone for a whole year, I wouldn't mind. Not only because of everything that I just mentioned during all of this review, but also because its cameras are just good. I took some photos with the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8a, and I'm quite sure you probably won't be able to tell which is which. The one on the left is the Pixel 8a, and the one on the right is the Pixel 8. Having different sensors, we can see certain differences in the color of some shots, like the blue of the water or the green of the mountains, or even the gray on this cloudy day. Or also in the closer shot of the Pixel 8, while the 8a has a slightly wider angle. But in general, both of them give us excellent results, even at night. The biggest difference is in their ultra-wide angle sensor, which the Pixel 8 looks much better, besides allowing also macro shots with this same sensor. Now in video mode, with the few videos that I've made, well, we can see how there's also some differences in the color of some shots, but at no time I will say that the image of the Pixel 8a is bad. Both are capable of recording 4K 60 frames per second, but only the Pixel 8 does it with the ultra-wide angle sensor and also allows it to record at 10-bit HDR. And right now I'm recording with the front-facing camera, and you can also hear the microphones. The Pixel 8a only has 2 instead of 3 of the Pixel 8, but honestly, I think both of them sound pretty good. And also, the quality of the picture, the Pixel 8, it's maybe a little bit sharper, better colors in my opinion, but overall, the difference is minimal, so yeah, I think this is a win for the Pixel 8a. Having said all this, the Pixel 8, it's basically a mix between the Pixel 8 and the 7a. Actually, if we put them side by side, we can see how it takes some elements from the 8 and other from the 7a, thus finding a very good balance. Now, this phone was launched in the US for $500, but I can assure you that in 1 month or 2 it will be around $400. And for this price point, it's the best phone that you can get. It's better than the Galaxy A55, it's better than the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and even better than the Galaxy S23 FE, for the simple fact that it's well optimized and also has amazing cameras. I personally will wait for it to drop in price, because right now you can actually find the Pixel 7a for around $300, and this $200 difference is not worth it, at least right now. So just wait a month or two and get it for $400, and I can assure you that this is a banger of a phone. But anyway, that's just my opinion, and if you have a different one because you have tried it or you have any other alternative, just let me know what it is in the comments. I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!